I don't care how much of a player this guy is. If he shows you these five signs, that means that dude is falling in love. Let's find out. Hey, what's up, angels? This is Alex for Mindful Attraction. And today we're going to be talking about five signs that a player is falling in love with you. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, players fall in love, all right? Let me tell you something. Players do not fall in love with the models. Let's get that straight. Players don't fall in love with models. Players usually fall in love with not average girls, but average to above average. If you notice, players like celebrities or even like high status guys, their wives usually aren't the hottest girls in the world, but to them, they're women of character, women who they appreciate for who they are, right? So whoever you are, anybody can make a player fall in love. We're not gonna be talking about that, but we're gonna be talking about five signs that he's falling in love with you. All right, angels. Okay. I call them angels because, you guys are angels. You guys are. Um, let's be honest. We're not angels. No one's an angel, but it is what it is. All right, look. Um, so by the way, ladies, the first comments in the 24 hours of this being released, I'm gonna respond to every comment in the first comments in the first 24 hours. All right. And now this question was given to me by a Patreon supporter. And so if you want to sign up for my Patreon, just go to the description down below. Because she had a guy who was known as a player, and she was like, "Oh my God, Alex, I think he's falling in love with me." And I was like, you know what? Let's make a video about this so that you can understand what are the signs that he's falling in love with you, right? And I like it because I put that in my course, natural chemistry. In natural chemistry, I'm releasing it today. By the way, it's released right now. So if you want to purchase it right now, go to the link below to purchase it. All right. The first 30 purchases are gonna get two free gifts. All right, for the first 30 people. So go to the description down below. All right. So these are the first signs, right? The first sign is that you notice that you first want the first sign is this. It's you want to observe his consistent behavior. When he was talking to you first, all right, what was his consistencies? How consistently did he contact you? How consistently did he talk to you? How consistently did he want to see you? How consistently did he not talk to you, right? You want to pay attention to that because after a while, for example, sometimes a player will not go out with you for dinner. A player will just have sex with you sometimes, and don't lie, women. Sometimes you just have sex with some guys and you fall for them. All right, so don't be slick. Don't be an angel. All right, sometimes you only have sex with guys. All right, and you start secretly liking him. But what you'll notice is that he'll just stop just having sex with you. You'll notice that he'll start taking you out more. You'll notice that he wants to spend time with you outside the bedroom. You'll notice that he'll want to show you a good time if he's not broke. All right. So that's the first sign. You'll notice that his behavior will change after one or two, after like 6 to 12 weeks, you'll notice a difference. After 12 weeks, if there's no difference, if he keeps just banging you and stuff like that, then you know what? Maybe he doesn't like you that much. But you know what? Let's talk about the other signs, right? That's the first sign that his behavior will just change over time. He'll just get more intimate. He'll wanna do more things that's not down that doesn't mean sex, all right? And the second thing is that he hits he starts talking to you about the problems in his life. He'll start talking to you about the pain in his past. He'll start opening up about the things in his past. He'll tell you about the time when something embarrassing happened. He'll tell you about the time his dad left him. He'll tell you about the time, or he'll tell you about the fact that he doesn't have a good relationship with his brother or sister or parents, or he doesn't have a lot of friends. Or he'll tell you about the fact that he's not really 20, that he's 25. Like he'll start opening up to you. You know what I'm saying? He'll start just revealing things to you. I don't have this car. I really don't have a car. I'm kidding with you. But you know what I'm saying? He'll start talking about deep stuff with you. Because women love deep stuff. You're like, oh my God, he told me about the fact that his dad left him. Oh man, like he really does love me, right? But if he didn't do that in the beginning, all of a sudden he starts talking to you about deep stuff. Yeah, you are right. You are right. The next thing is that when he travels and he's away, he contacts you. And this is the truth, ladies. When I like a girl and I travel, I contact her. I gotta make sure she's not getting dicked out by somebody else. I hit her up. I'm like, hey man, hey Melissa, hey Emily, hey John, not John, hey Jaquina or whatever, right? I hit her up. So if he does travel, you'll notice that he keeps in touch with you. The next thing is that he spends time with you doing simple things. I remember there was a girl who I was falling in love with, but she ended it, by the way. She ended it with me, but I was actually starting to like her. So thank God she ended it with me. But what we would do, we would just spend time together. We would like, I would go to her place. We would have sex all day. Don't get me wrong, but we would like do homework together. We would read together. We would, like just she'll do work, and we like spending time with each other. Like we just did things together. We ran errands together. We went to the park together, right? And in the beginning, it wasn't like that. In the beginning, I would just, just lay down the pipe on her, right? But after that, I just started liking her. I started just spending time with her, right? I would invite her to do this together. And so it wasn't just sex. I would invite her to do yoga together, So it's kind of like when a guy's falling for you, you like I said earlier, you want to pay attention to the difference in things that he does, right? So a big one is just he'll start spending time with you doing simple things. The last sign is that, and this is a big one. This is actually really a true one. He's gonna start looking at you more like this, like he'll just stare at you like his eyes will go from this to more relaxed. His mouth will open a little bit more, right? And his face would be more like this. Like that, like that look of like, oh wow, almost like droopy eyes, and just eyes are all open. His body's more relaxed when he talks to you. You'll notice that. That means he's falling in love with you. That means he's falling in love with you, right? Because when a guy just wants to have sex with you, he'll give you more of a look like this, and look away a little bit more, or even act interested, right? All of that is not real love. Love is reading. Oh, nice. And he'll talk with more relaxed, right? But again, you want to pay attention to how he first acted in the beginning, right? And now the next one, I'm gonna give you guys a bonus one. Is if you say I love you to him, right? If you say I love you to him, it'll definitely show you if he likes you or not. If you say I love you to him, don't let him say baby. If you say I love you, don't let him say baby. You know how I feel about you. I don't have to tell you anything. That's bullshit, right? That's bullshit. Break up with him, all right? If you're noticing that he doesn't, if you don't know if he loves you or not, just say I love you and wait for that response. If he doesn't say I love you back, just end it, because it's not gonna go nowhere, in my opinion. You don't wait for somebody to love you, all right? Honest to God, you just don't. This is the player type personality that I talk about in my course. All right, ladies. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you need one-on-one coaching, go to the description down below. And by the way, ladies, I'm not going to be doing the seminar tomorrow. I'm going to be doing it next weekend in Berlin. I'm going to be doing it on the next Sunday. And I'm going to be having a seminar in New York City, February. All right. I'm going to let you guys know the information later on today. Okay. All right, ladies. See you guys inside. Purchase my course. Bye-bye. All right, ladies. So I know you guys have checked out many different courses, many different books on how to create and maintain a long-lasting relationships, but not many of them have the structure that we're going to be having in this course, which is natural chemistry. This course you guys have been waiting for a few months, and I've been having an extremely great time coming out with this course, because this course is so unique that I was tempted to call it the greatest course of all time for women, to be honest with you. But, I have to stay humble, all right? This course is a 5-week course, ladies and gentlemen. A 5-week course with a bunch of bonuses on how to maintain, how to keep the guys, create chemistry, and have long-lasting relationships that are healthy and that make you thrive, all right? We're going to be talking about the week 1. We're going to be talking about strategies for creating and maintaining a deep connection, right? I'm going to be going over all of the strategies to do that. After week 2, we're going to be talking about male nature, helping you understand a different kind of guys. After that, we're going to be talking about how to control your emotions when you're in love. After that, we're going to be talking about how to set boundaries. Each week, you get a new video so that you're able to digest it in a slow way. After that, we're going to be talking about how to embrace your masculine and your feminine, right? On top of that, we're gonna have a bunch of bonuses such as how to the breakup formula, connecting and communicating with your man, establishing a life of abundance, social mastery, understanding your dark side, maintaining your self-esteem, the goal setting seminar, practical mastery, how to master anything, which is what I use to learn how to draw. The laws of human nature. We're going to be talking about the 3 chapters: the law of irrationality, the law of narcissism, and learning how to see through people's masks. We're going to have the transformational seminar in a pocket for those who purchase, for those who are the first 30 purchases. We're going to be talking about the chase. No, we're going to be giving you guys the free audiobook, which is the chase, right? All of this, people, you get with a 30-day money back guarantee. That's right, a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you don't like it, you could just return it. And the price of all of this starts at $197. We have a whole bunch of different packages, but the beginning price is $197, ladies and gentlemen. Right, so I know you guys will like this because this course originally was going to cost over $2,000, actually $1,800, but I decided to not put in some content. But it was originally priced at $1,800. But I'm going to be giving you guys starting at $197, ladies and gentlemen, with a 30-day money back guarantee. That means if you don't like it, or if you guys just want to try it out, because we all have the freeloaders out there, I don't mind. Go ahead and give it a try, freeloaders, because you guys will also get free previews of the video. So if for all the freeloaders out there, you guys can check it out. And I do not mind. Please check it out, because even the free videos are useful. Because at the end of the day, this is to help you guys. This is to help you guys create natural chemistry. This is to help you guys create that love and bond that you guys always wanted with your man. That means if you're in a relationship, you will learn how to deepen that relationship. If you're not in a relationship, you will learn how to not fuck it up. All right. So I'll see you guys inside, because I can promise you, this is the best course I've made. And I've made plenty of different courses for men and women. This is the best course I made. It is comprehensive. It has over 10 hours of content, ladies and gentlemen. So I'll see you guys inside, and I hope to see you guys there. Don't forget, there's a 30-day money back guarantee, no questions asked. So if you don't like it, you could just return it. All right? Okay. See you guys inside. Bye-bye.